You? Okay.
Actually,
Sarili mo. 13.
Sino yung number 23? 23 sino yan?
mag-abol kayo sa oras.
Coach, sinong 23? Ano mga apelyido? Pasqua.
Content na lang yung one. Hindi naintindihan talaga nila.
Ah. Mag-stay sa middle.
Hindi kasi
Go three, push three, push three, push three. Nice one.
Oh, good defense by the mid. Kunanan. Find your players. Oh!
Nice three.
David. Yes, sir, for two. Too big.
Kabila three. Oh, double. Double.
Okay, basket. And warning.
Kaya nga yung depensa kayo tumawag ka eh. Kaya yung pinanta yan. Hey, defense.
Let's go, let's go.
Pressure play. Pressure play.
Kunanan attacking the basket. Yes, sir, for two. Find your players, find your man. Find your players. Tubig attacking the basket. No rebound. Down. Down. Both teams warning. Both teams, meron na po kayong warning. Maganda ito, puro Tagalog na lang. Kunanan, attacking the basket. Wala, nakuha ni jersey number 19. 10 seconds to shoot. David! Wala, nakuha ni... Hindi na tama. Sino to? Number 9 si Rian. Yes, sir!
Pressure play. Pressure. Hands up. Hands up.
All four na.
Sino nakakuha? Nakuha ni jersey number 23. Si Pierre na di-dribble. Pierre attacking the basket. Yes, sir! Lamang na. J.A. Kunanan attacking the basket. No rebound. Solomon.
Sagot natin.
No rebound by jersey number
Jordi, get the ball. Jordi. Attack. Jordi.
23. Tubig. Attacking the basket. Escape the defense. Yes, sir! Grabe yung mga bata. Nakakatuwa.
Come on, I see. Boy.
Kunanan. Harassing Baker. Grabe si Kuya. Half court. Ano yan?
Kickball.
Time out! Movement.
Coach, Ray, bola nila. Kick si Juan, kick si...
Kick si Kuya. Enzo.
Wala. Ang bata, tandaan nyo, hindi naliligo yan. Siya ang bumabangga kanina pa sa malaki. Oo, yung malaki, yung 40, siya ang bumabangga ng bumabangga. Yung malaki.
Yung 7. Ay, dili. Pagding na. Ah.
Ayun oh, hawak ng baso kanina Juan.
Yun na.
Ayun yung
Wilson.
Jersey number 08, escape the defense. Yes, sir!
Defense, Pierre! White arm, white!
Grabe ang proud parents.
White!
Parents sigurado ang kinakabahan. Ayan na. Solomon, attacking the basket, loses the handle. But yan, pwede yan. David, 10 seconds. Ay, wala.
30 seconds yan, diba?
Oh, 30 seconds.
30 seconds pala yan. Jersey number 19. Oh, may foul. Sinong nahuli? Foul, jersey number 15. Pushing foul. Jersey number 15. That was first personal foul.
Hands up. Go, Kuya. Call him.
Go inside, go inside. Go inside, go inside, go inside, go inside.
Dre.
Dre, who's Dre?
Out, Dre out. Enzo in.
Nice play. 30. Passer.
19. Grabe ang mga bata, mga future player ng Qatar.
Coach lang walang future.
Gano'n yung score mo niyan?
Dalawang number 9
Tugatan na.
coach. Dalawang number
Qatar?
Hindi, sa US galing.
5 above.
US galing.
Kano?
Coach lang
Magkano?
walang future.
Wala, nakuha ni jersey number 9.
Ayos ah.
Down. Pierre, attacking the basket! Yes, sir, for two! Grabe si Pierre. Intercept, still! Pierre, Ebenasa, jersey number 26. Good defense. Oh! Bakit mo sinave? David Benedict, yes sir! Grabing gagaling ng mga bata.
Grabe.
Blank ka na, nakuha pa. Jersey number 7, pass to Pierre. What a nice pass! Yes! Yan ang mga magkakasama.
Grabe mga pasahan.
Grabe yung mga pasahan.
Yung coach ang wala.
Talagang gagaling ng mga batang to.
Future.
Enzo. What a nice pick! No, but we have a foul.
0.
Sinong nahuli? Foul version number 08. First personal foul and second team foul.
Listen very carefully. Let him dribble left hand man all the way. No problem. Let him dribble. Do not commit to his left. Stay on his right. Get me? Stay on his right all the time. Let him dribble left. Are we clear? Let's go.
Yan yung mga
Hindi
feed.
naman nakalagay dito, do not commit. Mali yung spelling.
Detailed talaga yung mga coach. Detailed
Ang
ba?
nakalagay, commitment eh.
No?
Dito sa live. Pag narinig, nag-translate eh.
Wrong grammar para
Ang
si
grammar
coach.
eh.
Art, box out. Art.
Enzo, pangalawa. Yes, connect.
Look.
Nakalusot na naman. Ngunit wala. Down.
Half court.
Meron na tayong warning kanina. Automatic. Technical lang kasunod niyan.
$7.14. 7.14. Cute.
Enzo, connect. Dito tayo sa dulo. Kunanan. Attacking the basket. No. Rebound. Jersey number 19. David. No. Rebound. Jersey number 13.
3 seconds. Boss.
Oh! Anong hatol? May foul. Foul. Jersey number... Sino yan?
26.
26. Wala mo na mata ko ah. First personal foul and third team foul. No, rebound by Ryan, the big boy. Seconds to play. David, what a nice play! Not in my house.
Grabe!
Grabe mga puso ng mga batang to.
Pay.
Yan ang dugong manlalaro. David and Benedict. Tumira. Yes, sir!
Bata pa, may mga galaw na.
Grabe mga bata to. Bata pa lang. Akala mo mga mamaw na. Tubig. Pinasa kay Kuya Pierre. Diha, oh? May mga Pierre na bak.
Oo, may papakpak na.
14 seconds. Oh! Grabe mga bata to. 17 seconds na lang.
Stay here, kuya. Stay here, kuya.
15. Five. Wala lang oras. Grabing laro ng mga bata nakakato.
Saka sa totoo ng Pilipino naman saka banlay maglaban 2013.
Oh.
Kasi Ibo saka Hawks maglaban mamaya eh. O sa Lunes.
Araw-araw may laro na?
Araw-araw. Parang wala tayong pahinga.
Weekdays?
Sipon lang yan.
Weekdays?
Malayo nun. Malayo, mahirap naman kasi pag malayo. Hindi, tinetesting ko kung kay Juan. Tinetesting lang kung kayo. Present of
Present.
mind.
Let's go. RCF.
Oo, tinatest kung focused kayo.
Let's go.
Oh, let's go!
Pick up your man, pick up your man.
Jai 1.
Jai, where's your man, Jai?
Jai, number 1.
Okay, let's go! 4 ang kalamangan mula sa NGP RTF. Kunanan. Yes, sir, for 2.
Jai down. Jai down.
Ang cute na number 12 ba? Parang si gusto yung bata ko. Bibo.
No, rebound by jersey number 7. Jersey number 19, running jumper. Wala. Sino nakakuha? Jersey number 1. May sumabit. Foul wearing jersey number 0. Jersey number 0, that was first personal foul. First team foul. Unang buslo. Oy, sablay.
2 points lead. Ay, sir.
Pangalawa, Kapyos.
Kill me or you kill me? You kill me, not me. This is good.
Jersey number 8, behind the back. Malasyadong malapit ang depensa. Kanya pa rin. May foul. Foul, jersey number 7. Jersey number 7, first personal foul and first team foul. Sub.
Out of the always they are Time out.
Time out, NGB.
Not about demanding. Not demanding. Yes.
I spoke to guy now.
Ace. Stay front.
Okay, let's go. Okay, let's go.
Oh, grabe yung depensa oh. Oo?
Yes, sir!
Nice D! Nice D! One more! One more!
Oy! Oy!
We have a
Grabe!
foul. Foul jersey number 08.
Sub, sub. Sub, sub.
Substitution.
Kuya, call him. Oh.
Jersey number 08. That was second personal foul. First team foul pa lang. No, rebound by Benedict. May foul jersey number 7. Hit. Jersey number 7. Una pa lang. At pangatlo sa kupunan.
Reserve ka, coach? Hindi.
Hold Ray! Hold up! Hold! Hold!
Nako, loses the handle. Intercept by Benedict. What is the whistle? Carrying the ball. The guy.
Sub, sub.
Hayaan po natin i-enjoy ng mga bata. Jersey number 9. No! Rebound. Sino nakakuha? Technical for NGB.
Tatawagan mo lang, ano dapat dito, magtubo. Hindi kaya doon. Galing sa report eh.
Siyempre,
Guys, half court defense tayo. Half court defense. Jersey number 7. Yes, sir, Bonek. Isa na lang. Jersey number 9. May sumabit. Foul, jersey number 1. Jersey number 1. Una pa lang.
Sige, kuya.
Substitute tayo. Sub. May substitute free throw tayo. Stay on your box. Oh, sorry miss.
Andre, defend.
Yes, sir. Connect.
Coach, Macdo yan ha.
Jai, number 9, number 9.
Makdo yan. Kira yan.
May Macdo ka na mamaya.
Yes, sir. Connect. Jersey number 08. Oh! Rebound. Jersey number 0. Number 9.
Hindi talaga pwede. Half court dapat eh. Doon ang one eh.
Should be half. Dapat sa gitna kayo maghintay.
Half court talaga dapat doon.
Yung situation na yun, natatakbuhan sila, hindi
Kaya
ba
nga,
nakakatawa?
pero dapat talaga.
Tapos pinasa. Paano mo alamin yun? Hindi naman siya sinalubong ng nagtatakbuhan sila, pumunta. Hindi ko kukuhanin na dyan yung bola.
Ginawa eh.
That is
Sorry, miss.
here.
Wait in the middle. Good. Wait. Wait. Okay, good.
Right. Nice D, right. Nice D, Pierre.
No, rebound by Ryan. Down.
Push.
Yes, sir! Grabe yung mga bata talaga to. Kung may kunanan sa kabila, may pier sa kabila. Low, yun.
Play. Jai. Go.
Pier. Good. Yes, sir, for 2.
Defense, kuya. Defense. Always wait in the half court.
Right, Pierre, nice one.
Yeah, just stay here, kuya. You want to sub, stay here.
We have a foul. Nako.
Wait, ha?
Foul jersey number 08.
Sub.
That was third. Third na.
Go.
Sub.
Jai.
21-19. Tama? 21-19.
Third na yan. Madalawa sa second quarter ngayon. Isa sa first quarter.
Isa pa lang sa
1970. And 1921.
Pidik. May foul.
Wait, ah. Report mo na.
Foul, jersey number 7. Jersey number 7, that was second personal foul. Third team foul.
Change. Time out, time out.
Timeouts at GBRTF. Last timeout muna yung coach for the first half.
Karong nga may trabaho ah. Kami ginduha mga important eh.
Again, try. Don't let me receive the ball, okay? Wait for help. One.
Intercept. Benedict. No, rebound ni Ryan. Sige. Tatlong rebound na si Ryan. Benedict loses the handle. Recovery ni Benedict. Connect. Lamang na. Jersey number 7. Good. Help lang yun. Nasa likod. Yes sir. Purdue. Lamang na.
Help yan, help.
Help yun kasi naiwan.
Naiwan yung isa.
Hindi mag-help.
Pero pag sabay, coach, ganyan yun yung...
No rebound. Jersey number 15. Jersey number 15. Siya yung pumunta sa depensa. Benedict, no.
Time out, time out.
Time out. Movement. Last time out, coach.
Ay, di. Kuha na.
Here.
Enzo! Yes, sir! Lamang na uli. Tubig. Hinaharas niya. May sumabit. Foul jersey number 1. Number 1, first personal foul pa lang. At warning for penalty.
Yung erection ni Moy.
Ito pa lang.
Si Pierre.
Tatlo na yung tatlo, coach.
Ito nakalagay.
Hey, box out! Box out!
Review namin yan.
Sige, sige lang. Sige, tatlo na yan.
Hey, box out! Yuri, Yuri, Andre.
Ano, pwede ba
Sa gitna. Labas ka dyan.
Sige lang.
Control mo yan. Yung rebound, 3 points. Box mo yan, box out mo yan.
Tapos mag-glide ka ulit para